Hi everyone, I'm Eva from Hana Crochet Design. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to make this gold foil red packet for Chinese New Year. If you're a member of Cricut Design Space, you can check out my profile. I have shared some easy craft project and some simple SVG files which you can use to design and create projects with your cutting machine. Alright, let's go back to the tutorial. I created two gold foil design for the red packet, and for today's project, we're gonna make this red packet design. Alright, this file is basically ready for cutting. All you have to do is click on the Make button, and then on the next page, they will tell you all the instruction. If you're not a Cricut Design Space member, you can purchase the SVG files from my Etsy shop, Racing to Hearts. The file is available for download after the payment. If you use the file that you downloaded from my Etsy shop, there's some adjustment that you need to do in Cricut Design Space. Open a new canvas in Cricut Design Space. Go to the left panel and click Upload button. And then we're going to upload image. The file name is Red Packet Lunar New Year in SVG format. And this is how the file looks like. Click Upload. Select the uploaded file and then add to canvas. Don't get alarmed with how the file looks like at this point. This is totally normal because we have to do some adjustment. First, I'm gonna ungroup the file. Go to the top right panel and click on Ungroup icon. And I'm gonna drag this dragon out of the red packet template. Next, I'm gonna change the basic operation for the flower pattern as well as the border. Select the layers for the border as well as for the flower pattern. Go to the top panel and change the operation to medium foil. And then after that, select this black rectangle layer. Go to the top panel and then change the operation to score. This score line serves as a guide for folding your material precisely. I also provided this two dragon image in PNG format, and I'm gonna upload the image onto the canvas. For this red packet project, I'm gonna use this dragon. Choose complex for the image type. Apply and continue. Choose print and cut image on the next page and hit upload. Select the uploaded file and add to canvas. This dragon image will be placed under the red packet template. And I'm gonna make an oval shape cutout right over here. Click on the shape button on the left panel and then select the oval shape. Adjust the size of your dragon image so you can see it through the oval shape cutout. Create a square and change the color to white. Bring the dragon image layer to the front. Then after that, select the square layer and the dragon image layer both together. Go to the right bottom panel and click flatten. Alright, I'm gonna put this aside. Make sure the operation for the oval shape is in basic cut. To give you an idea, this is how the template looks like later on. I'm not gonna use this SVG dragon, so let's just hide it. I will add text on the empty space right over here. Go to the left panel and click on the text button. And I'm gonna change it to Happy Lunar New Year. Change the font type to cursive. For the style, I'm gonna change this to writing since I'm gonna use file transfer tool for this. You can also adjust the letter space. Curve this font. Go to the top panel and click on the curve button. Then change the operation to fine foil. At the bottom, I'm just gonna write 2024. Select all the files together except the dragon image. Go to the bottom panel and click attach. And this file is ready to be cut. We're gonna print and cut the dragon image. I'm gonna change the material size to A4, send to printer, and remove the bleed. Click the system dialog so you can change the printer setting. Choose best for the print quality. Next, we're gonna cut out this red packet template. Change the material size to 30.5 by 30.5 cm. I'm gonna use light cardstock for this project. And from here, the steps are pretty straightforward. They will tell you the blade that you have to use. You just have to follow the steps on Cricut Design Space. The first tool that I'm gonna load is this single scoring wheel. Cricut scoring wheel is designed to create precise score lines on material like paper. It allows you to create accurate folds in your project. Next, place the gold foil material on top of the cardstock and load the medium tip transfer tool in clamp B. Put the gold foil material shiny side up and securely tape along all edges of the foil sheet. Foil transfer sheet should be smooth, flat, and secure against your base material. Use long pieces of tape to secure the entire edge of the foil transfer sheet. Insert the medium tip and insert it into the clamp B. Once you're done with that, change the foil transfer tool to fine tip. Once you're done with that, change the tool in clamp B to fine point blade. And don't forget to remove the foil transfer sheet without unloading your mat. And this is how the other design looks like, which is also included in my Red Packet digital file bundle. And with a fine point blade loaded in clamp B, we're going to cut out the Red Packet template. Unload your mat and remove your artwork. I'm gonna glue this dragon print underneath the Red Packet template. Glue your Red Packet template and your project is done. I hope you found this video helpful. For more craft inspiration, follow me on Instagram, Hannah Crochet Design, and don't forget to follow me on Cricut Design Space. I will put all the links down below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.